Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. My name is Tom, and I'm happy to talk to you. Today, we have a very interesting topic. We're talking about technology in our daily lives. I love gadgets because they make life easy. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. My smartphone is my alarm clock. It sits on the table next to my bed. I stop the music and check my messages. It is a very fast way to start the day. My phone has many useful apps. I have an app for the weather and news. I also use a calendar to plan my work. Technology is the first thing I see today. Do you use your phone in the morning too? It is a common habit for many people. I also check my emails before breakfast. Digital tools are everywhere around us. My smartphone is small but very powerful. I can call my friends in different countries. Video calls are great because I see their faces. We feel close even if we are far. The internet connects the whole world. I remember life without these smart devices. It was much slower and more difficult. Modern gadgets save us a lot of time. I am glad to live in this era. Let's look at more examples of technology. Follow me to the next part of my day. We are moving to the kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen, where I cook. Technology helps me prepare healthy food. My favorite machine here is the coffee maker. I put a capsule inside and press a button. The smell of fresh coffee is amazing. It is a simple piece of technology. Next, I have a large silver refrigerator. It keeps my vegetables and milk fresh. Some modern fridges have touch screens. Mine is basic, but it works perfectly. Then, I use the microwave to warm bread. It takes only 30 seconds to be hot. I also have an electric kettle for tea. It boils water much faster than a stove. These appliances are very helpful every day. I don't spend much time cleaning them. My dishwasher is another great invention. I put dirty plates inside and wait. It uses less water than washing by hand. This is good for nature and my pocket. Kitchen gadgets are getting smarter every year. Some people have ovens with Wi-Fi. They can start cooking from their phones. That sounds like a movie from the future. I prefer to cook my eggs myself, but I like using a digital kitchen scale. It helps me follow difficult recipes exactly. Measurements are important for good cakes. Breakfast is ready thanks to my machines. Let's go to the living room. This is my workspace at home. I work as a freelance designer. My laptop is my most important tool. It is thin, light, and very fast. I sit on a comfortable chair for hours. My computer screen is big and bright. I use a wireless mouse to move quickly. High-speed internet is necessary for my job. I download large files every hour. Sometimes I have online meetings with my boss. We use a camera and a microphone. It feels like we are in one room. I also have a printer on my shelf. It prints documents in black and white. Technology allows me to work from home. I don't need to go to an office. This saves me money on bus tickets. Digital folders keep my documents organized. I never lose my papers anymore. Everything is saved in the cloud. The cloud is a safe place online. I can open my files from any device. If my laptop breaks, my work is safe. Technology makes professional life very flexible. I often take short breaks to rest. My smartwatch vibrates to tell me. It says, "Tom, please stand up and walk." It is good for my health. Working with gadgets is my passion. Let's see how I relax after work. After work, I want to relax. I usually sit on the sofa. My smart TV is on the wall. I don't watch normal channels. I prefer streaming services like Netflix. There are thousands of movies to choose from. I use a remote control to find films. Sometimes I play video games on my console. The graphics look very realistic today. I play games with my friends online. We wear headsets to talk during the game. It is a fun way to spend evening time. If I am tired, I listen to music. My smart speaker is always ready. I say, play some jazz music, please. The speaker understands my voice perfectly. It can also tell me funny jokes. Digital entertainment is very cheap now. I have a tablet for reading books. It is better than carrying heavy paper books. I can change the light of the screen. My eyes don't get tired in the dark. I have hundreds of books in one hand. Technology offers many ways to have fun. I also like to edit my photos. I use simple filters to make them pretty. Then, I share them on social media. My friends like my pictures instantly. It is a nice way to stay connected. Entertainment is different than in the past. Let's go outside for a moment. Technology follows me everywhere I go. I use GPS to find new places. Maps on my phone show the way. I never get lost in the city. It even tells me which bus to take. I pay for my coffee with my watch. I don't need a plastic wallet. Contactless payment is very secure and fast. When I travel, I use translation apps. They help me understand foreign languages. I can read menus in France or Italy. My camera takes beautiful photos of nature. I store these memories on a memory card. Electric scooters are popular in my street. They are a clean way to travel. I rent them using a mobile app. It is faster than walking to the shop. Public transport also uses smart technology. Digital signs show the arrival times. Everything is synchronized and very precise. I feel safe because of street cameras. Technology helps people in big cities. It manages traffic and lights. Life in the city is very high tech. I enjoy walking with my headphones on. I listen to podcasts just like this one. Learning is easy when you are mobile. The world is full of amazing machines. Let's return home for the conclusion. We're back in my room. We talked about many different devices. Technology is a big part of me. It helps me work, eat, and play. But we must be careful with gadgets. Sometimes I turn off my phone. It is important to look at nature. Real life is outside the screen too. I try to find a good balance. Too much technology can make us tired. Use your devices to learn new things. English apps are a great example of this. You're listening to me right now. This is the power of the internet. I hope you learned some new words. Learning English is a long journey. Technology makes this journey more interesting. Thank you for spending time with me. You are a great student of English. Practice every day to become better. My name is Tom, your podcast host. I will prepare more topics for you. Maybe next time we talk about food, or we can discuss travel and hobbies. Please share this podcast with your friends. It helps me create more lessons. Check the description for the transcript. Have a wonderful and productive day. Goodbye and see you very soon. Stay curious and keep learning English.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.